Hi YouTube, this quick video is a Blender rendering test where I compare Cycles HIP versus AMD ProRender with two RX 6600 AMD GPUs. Okay, this is the scene that we're using. The first test is Blender Cycles with HIP. And you can see on the screen I have the settings that I used for rendering. I have the noise threshold at 0.05, max 1200 samples, and we ran 60 frames for the test. And here's what the scene looks like at the end. Now this is the AMD ProRender test. I had never used it before until this, so it took me a little bit of playing with settings, and of course a Blender crash right in the middle. And I finally got the scene to look like this. I did not get my textures to work, but I'm sure if I played with it a little bit more that I'd be able to pull those through. So here you can see the frames running, and they're already obviously a little bit slower, but here's what they look like. So this is the AMD ProRender plugin that I downloaded for free from AMD's website. Okay, so here's what they look like side by side. On the left side is the Cycles version. I think it looks a lot better, and there's a ton more noise in the AMD ProRender version, and it took twice as long. 40 minutes for the ProRender bit. So just looking at this comparison, let me know if there's some settings I got wrong, but just looking at this, I don't think I would use ProRender, and maybe newer AMD GPUs utilize it more, but for now I would say stick with Cycles HIP for AMD. Let me know what else you want to see. Thanks for watching.